Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all living healthy at your places. Due to COVID-19 health emergency, our government of Karnataka suspended all educational activities. So, our Narayan PU College management and honorable principals are decided to conduct online classes for the educational improvement and betterment of our student community. So, utilize online classes properly, prepare smart note and get ready for annual examinations. All the best. Let's move to the subject economics. Yes, the word economics derived from Greek two words, ecos and nomos. Ecos stands for household and nomos stands for management. Therefore, economics is a study about household management. Household means land, labor, capital and organization. Management of land, labor, capital and organization is called as the economics. Yes, in a simple meaning, economics is a social science concerned with the production, consumption and distribution of goods and services. Consumption means utilization of goods and services to satisfy our wants and desires. Production means transfer of raw materials into final goods, and distribution means spread or supply of goods and services at a marketplaces where the number of people can purchase. And many more economists, many more delegates of economics, they try to obtain the meaning of economics. Among them, the father of economics, Adam Smith, who was published his great work in 1776 in the name of an inquiry into nature and cause of wealth of nations. An inquiry into the nature and cause of wealth of nations. According to him, economics means a study about wealth, means generating of wealth. Yes, irrespective of or without interference of government, only the private sector, yes, commit to the economic activities and generate the wealth is called as economics according to the Adam Smith. And he was popularized invisible hand. Invisible hand means yes, leave us alone or without interference of government, private sector take over all the economic activities. Not only the Adam Smith, even the modern economists also try to define the meaning of the economics. Among them, one of the popular economists, modern economist, the Alfred Marshall also, he defined the meaning of economics in his great work, yes, the principles of economics. Principles of economics, the well-known work of the Alfred Marshall. According to him, the economics means, yes, the study of man in ordinary business. Ordinary business, yes, concerned seller, service holder, service provider, producer, and okay, many more. Yes, seller, service holder, service provider, producer, and many more. Therefore, the study of man in ordinary business is okay, economics according to the Alfred Marshall. Not only Alfred Marshall, even Lionel Robinson and Karl Marx, who was a popular socialist, who was defined the meaning of economics. Finally, we concluded the meaning of the economics in simple words. Yes, economics is a study about economic activities of human beings. Only economic activities of human beings. Yes, the human activities are further divided into two. Number one, yes, economic activities, and number two, non-economic activities. What do you mean by economic activities? Yes, the activities of human beings which are generate the income. The activities of human beings which are generate the income means money is called as the yes, economic activities. Example, doctor working in a hospital. Doctor giving treatment to patients in hospitals is called as yes, considered as the economic activity. Teacher working in, teacher teaching in school, yes, for for the service of a doctor in the hospital, for the service of a teacher in the school, yes, payable. Their services are payable both in hospital and the schools. Not only these two, lawyer working in courts and farmer working at the field or agriculture field are also economic activities. Yes, next the non-economic activities, the activities of human beings which are not generate the income, which are not gain the income or money are known as yes, the non-economic activities. Example, same doctor giving treatment to his or her own parents. Here, own parents are not paying to the service of a doctor. And same teacher teaching to his or her children, means own children also not paying to the service of a teacher. So doctor work or doctor treatment to the parents in home, teacher service or teaching in the home are not considered as the economic activities. They come under the non-economic activities. Non-economic activities. Therefore, yes, the economic activities and non-economic activities are yes, human activities, two types. Yes, and next let's we concentrate on the economic activities. Yes, the economic activities are further divided into three, which are they? Number one, first one is yes, the consumption, and second one is the production. Economic activities are two. Number one, consumption, and number two, production, and number three, that distribution. Yes, what do you mean by consumption? Consumption means using of goods and services to fulfill our wants and desires. Example, I am consuming cloth, I am consuming chopstick, I am consuming pen, I am consuming cell phone to satisfy our wants and desires. And next, the production means transfer of raw materials into finished goods. Yes, example, cotton into cotton cloth, silk into silk fabric, wood into wooden furnitures are the example. What do you mean by final goods? Final goods means the goods which are not passed through any more stages of the production. Why? Because that final goods already crossed, already passed from all the production process. So which goods are already passed the production process are known as final goods. And distribution means spread or supply of products to the marketplace where the number of people can buy, known as distribution. Yes, the consumption, production and distribution are important three economic activities. Not only these topics, even though you people are read many more topics and chapters in a first year PUC, both in statistical economics and Indian economic development. Statistical economics, yes, meaning of statistics in both a single and plural manner, and next collection of data means information, organization of data, presentation of data in the form of yes, the tabular presentation, textual presentation and diagrammatical presentation. Diagrammatical presentation means yes, line chart, pie chart and the yes, bar diagram, both the simple bar diagram and multiple bar diagram. And next the statistical tools, index number, these are all the statistical economics. And next to that, yes, Indian economic development. Under that, yes, Indian economy in the eve of independence and Indian economy in yes 1990 to 19 Okay, is it right? 1950 to 1990. And next, Indian economy since 1991 means NEP, new economic policies, LPG, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, and challenges faced by the Indian economy after the independence means poverty, unemployment, along with that over exploitation of a population. And next, the policies and programs launched out by the Indian government to overcome from these all the challenges, such as Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Shahri Rozgar Yojana, and self-employment programs and programs for food. Many more, you people, right? Yes, in the next class we people discussed about some more important topics of the economics as per the NCERT. Yes, thank you, one and all.